Hey friends, it's Teacher Jamie, and today we're going to bake a cake and read a story. So pull up a chair and let's get started. The first rule of baking is to wash your hands. You're also going to need a grown-up, like a mom or a dad. Today I'm going to make a funfetti cake for my friend's birthday. You're going to need 1 cup of water, half a cup of canola oil, and 3 whole eggs. It's very important to read all the directions on the box. You're also going to want to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. The first step is to pour 1 cup of water into your measuring cup. You're going to dump all the cake mix into a big bowl. The third step is to take your 3 eggs and crack them into the bowl. You might need some help from a grown-up at this part. The fourth step is to add half a cup of pure vegetable oil or a substitute. Step 5 is to stir the batter. We're almost done. Now spray the pan with non-stick cooking spray or dust with flour. Have an adult carefully put the cake in the oven for 34 to 38 minutes. Then you can play a game or read a story while you wait for the story to end because I'm going to show you my creation. I can't wait for you to see it.
And we're going to read a book called The Cake That Mack Ate by Rose Robert and Marianne Kowalski. This is the cake that Mack ate. Wow, look at that beautiful cake. Let's count the candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 candles with rainbow decorations. This is the egg that went into the cake that Mack ate. This is the hen that laid the egg that went into the cake that Mack ate. This is the corn that fed the hen that laid the egg that went into the cake that Mack ate. Look at all that corn. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the seed that grew into corn, that fed the hen, that laid the egg, that went into the cake, that Mack ate. Look at all that seed. This is the farmer who planted the seed that grew into corn, that fed the hen, that laid the egg, that went into the cake, that Mack ate. This is the woman who married the farmer who planted the seed that grew into corn, that fed the hen, that laid the egg, that went into the cake, that Mack ate. These are the candles that lit up the cake that was made by the woman who married the farmer who planted the seed that grew into corn, that fed the hen, that laid the egg, that went into the cake, that Mack ate. Look at that little dog. I wonder what that dog's name is. Uh-oh, this is Mack. Oh no, Mack ate the birthday cake. He ate the cake. Look at their faces. They do not look too happy. The end. And that is the book, The Cake That Mack Ate by Rose Robert and Marianne Kowalski. Thanks for reading with me.
When the timer goes off, have an adult check to make sure the middle is completely cooked. When you're done, wait for the cake to cool down and then decorate it however you want. Thank you for helping me make a funfetti birthday cake and reading the book, The Cake That Mack Ate. Stay awesome!